actually 2 open houses, 2. So they're gonna be my very first open houses. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. I'm super excited for this video because in this video we are going to be preparing for my first open house. So this weekend I have actually 2 open houses, 2. So they're gonna be my very first open houses, and we're going to prepare for them, get a few things that I need. Come along as I prepare for my first 2 open houses. I hope you enjoy this video. Oh, it's hot. So we went to Staples. That was the first stop that I needed to make so I can print out some welcome and sign-in flyers for tomorrow. Went to Dollar Tree, but they didn't have what I needed. So we stopped at Sonic and we're gonna get some drinks. I got my sisters with me. Yeah, we're gonna order drinks now.
Slush?
Yes, with nerds.
Okay, anything else?
And then can I do a medium root beer?
Alright, anything else?
And then I'll do a small lemonade slush.
You want nerds in that one?
No, thank you.
Okay.
And a small root beer. Actually, never mind about the last one.
One more time.
That's all.
Okay, what was the small slushie again?
Lemonade.
Okay. So you have the nerd lemonade slushie, the root beer, and then a small lemon fruit slushie?
Yes.
Okay, your total's $24.85.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Got our drinks. I got a lemonade slushie. Kiki got me on this. It doesn't taste the same. It's good, but it doesn't taste. Oh, I usually get nerds in it. Well, the one time I got it in nerds. It's good. We just had a little lunch and now we're going into Walmart. Hopefully we find everything we need here at Walmart. Come with me to shop for my first open house. Oh, no wonder. Oh, you always do it. Now she's bossing me around. I like the one so cool. Yes. Okay, we are done at Walmart. And oh wait, we're going to Hobby Lobby now. Not for me, but for Dee Dee. Maybe me and Kiki can go to the mall. We made it to Hobby Lobby, obviously. Your hair is stuck. Hey, Vlogception. Here with the girlies. Oh my. Wait. I need a candle from here actually, so I'm gonna find my candle. Hopefully it is on sale. The best candle here, Kona Coffee. I'm leaving though because can't go that way, I'm blocked.
Look at that. How
You? Us.
cute.
Bruh, you need. This thing attacking me.
I want to go to the actual real flowers so that those aesthetics better.
Okay, so we are back from the store. I really don't know what I got at the store, like what footage I got. I tried to be all, you know, like the cute shopping aesthetic videos. That's kind of hard. I don't know how people do that, because I'm trying to like shop and then try to film and then find places for the camera and all. Like, it's a little difficult. So and then I have to think of what to get. So okay, so I wanted to give you guys a little haul of what I got. So I'm going to show you a very quick haul. First thing I got from Hobby Lobby was this. This is for business cards, so I'm going to put them there. I got an air freshener just for the place to smell good. I got pens for the papers that the people have to sign into, and then I got hand sanitizer, and I got mints. And then from Amazon I got this. I'm not gonna pull the whole thing out, you'll see it in the next video, but it is a giant flag that says open house. These are the papers that I got from Staples. I'm kind of sad they got a little blurry, so this is basically it. I got the cute little bottom. My brokerage is purple, so I'm kind of doing everything kind of like purpley. Yeah, next time I'm gonna have to do something better, like find something, a better solution so that the papers aren't blurry, because that's not cute. But for this time it'll do. This box, I have a couple of open house signs, like the ones that you put in the yard, so you'll see those in the next video as well, because I don't feel like pulling them all out. So next thing we gotta do to prepare is my hair. I have to wash it and get it done, and also choose an outfit. I'm excited for an outfit. So yeah, that's what you're gonna see next. Excuse the dirty mirror, but part of preparation for the open house is to find my outfit. So I have this little blouse. This will not be the tank top. This little like suit skirt, you know, business skirt. Then I have just flats. It's only a 2-hour event, so this will be fine. And then I do have a blazer, but I'm not gonna wear it tomorrow. And then since I have 2 open houses, this will be, the first outfits for Friday, this will be for Saturday, the dress version of the shirt. And then I think with this one I'll put the blazer, just so that I can look a little more professional, even though I can wear whatever I want. Obviously this will be a different tank top. My hair will be done, you know. You're like, hi, you want to buy a house? I have these yellow heels that I can probably wear with the outfit, or the same black ones. So we'll see what the final outfit is. I'll show the final outfit, but this is the plan so far. I also have this dress that I could wear. It's like a light pink with polka dots and then like black heels, you know. I think that'll be cute. That'll be an option. For my open houses. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will leave the information for the open houses down below. if you're in Florida, if you want to check them out, or you know, I'll leave all my info down below if you're looking to buy or anything or sell, then we can get connected. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and then tomorrow is going to be the actual open houses, so you'll see that. I do have to get a couple more things, but that'll, you know, you'll see that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next one, bye.